how to connect these Bluetooth headphones to your laptop. It's a Thomson. Okay, first of all, power on the headset. The power button is here on this side where that LED is. Okay, and hold it down until it turns blue, and then it turns white and blue. So press and hold that button. First it is blue. Hold it, now it's blue and white, and now you can release it. It's not really visible on the camera, but it's blue and white. Okay, now when it's flashing blue and white on the laptop, go to your start menu and type in blue, BLU, and come here to Bluetooth and other devices. Okay, add Bluetooth or other device. Bluetooth, mice, keyboard, pen, audio. So we have an audio device, the headset. Click on that one. And here we have it, 6005 BT. Click on that one, connecting. It also found a GoPro, that's not mine. Okay, and after a few seconds, it is already connected. Okay, and if I start something on YouTube, the sound is coming from here. Even here at the volume it says 6005 BT, so that's the model of this. You can hear the sound from the headset. Okay, and if I power it off, hold it, now the sound is not coming from these, but from those larger ones. Now if I power on this one again, now you don't need to press and hold until it is blue and white. Once again. And now the sound came here to this one.